In today's video, I'll show you how to add thank you screens in Typeform step by step. If you want to improve user experience and end your form in a more professional way, a thank you screen is a must. First, open your Typeform account and go to your workspace. Then open the form where you want to add or customize the thank you screen. Once you're inside the form builder, scroll to the very end of your form. You'll find the End Screen or Thank You Screen section. Click on it to open the customization panel. Now you can edit the main message. For example, you can write something like, "Thank you for your response," or "We've received your submission successfully." Next, you can customize the sub-message. This is where you can add extra details like next steps, confirmation messages, or support information. You can also add a call to action button. This is very useful if you want to redirect users to a website, booking page, social media page, or another form. For example, you can set a button like Visit Website or Book a Call and link it to your desired URL. If you're using multiple logic paths, you can even create different thank you screens based on user answers. This makes your form feel more personalized and interactive. After customizing your screen, preview the form to make sure everything looks clean on both mobile and desktop devices. Keep your message short, clear, and friendly. A simple thank you with clear next steps usually works best. Once everything is ready, save your form and publish it. Now, every user who completes your form will see your customized thank you screen at the end. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized thank you screens in Typeform to create a better finishing experience. And that's how you add thank you screens in Typeform. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.